Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about SUVs that mechanics always praise for one simple reason. They last forever. These aren't vehicles chosen by ads or brand hype, but based on real-world reliability, long-term performance, and years of mechanic experience. If you're looking for an SUV that can handle daily driving and still survive hundreds of thousands of miles on American roads, you're in the right place. We've ranked some of the most trusted SUVs in the US based on durability, owner satisfaction, and proven track records. So make sure you watch until the end, because the top picks might surprise you. If you enjoy honest, no-nonsense car content like this and want to avoid expensive repair mistakes, don't forget to hit the like button. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Tell us which SUV you trust the most. And subscribe to the channel for more real automotive advice every week. 5. Honda Pilot. At number 5, the Honda Pilot earns its place as one of the most trusted and dependable three-row SUVs on American roads. And it's a vehicle that mechanics consistently praise for its long-term reliability and practicality. The Honda Pilot has built a strong reputation over the years by focusing on what truly matters to families: durability, comfort, and predictable ownership costs. One of the main reasons mechanics respect the Pilot is its naturally aspirated V6 engine, especially in earlier and mid-generation models, which is known for smooth performance, solid engineering, and proven longevity when properly maintained. Unlike smaller turbocharged engines that can be more complex and expensive to repair, the Pilot's V6 is relatively simple and well-tested, resulting in fewer major mechanical failures over time. Many owners across the United States report driving their Honda Pilots beyond 200,000 miles, and in some cases even approaching 250,000 miles, with only routine maintenance, which is a strong indicator of real-world durability. From a maintenance standpoint, the Honda Pilot is considered very mechanic-friendly, with straightforward service procedures, widely available parts, and reasonable repair costs compared to many competitors in the three-row SUV segment. This makes it a popular recommendation for families who want a reliable vehicle without the stress of frequent or expensive repairs. In everyday driving, the Honda Pilot excels as a practical family SUV, offering a spacious interior, comfortable seating for long road trips, and a smooth, stable ride on both city streets and highways. It's commonly used for school runs, family vacations, and light towing duties, and it performs these tasks consistently year after year. Overall, the Honda Pilot deserves its position at number 5 because it delivers exactly what long-term owners value most: reliability, comfort, and peace of mind, making it a solid and sensible choice for anyone looking for a three-row SUV that can handle real life on American roads and keep going for years without major trouble. 4. Toyota Sequoia. At number 4, the Toyota Sequoia is widely regarded as one of the toughest and longest-lasting full-size SUVs on American roads. And it's a vehicle that mechanics consistently praise for its durability and reliability over time. Unlike many modern SUVs that focus heavily on styling and technology, the Sequoia was built with strength and longevity as its main priorities, using a traditional body-on-frame construction designed to handle heavy use year after year. One of the biggest reasons mechanics often call the Sequoia an Immortal SUV is its powertrain, especially the V8 engines found in earlier generations, which are known for being extremely robust, relatively simple, and capable of handling heavy loads without frequent mechanical problems. Many owners across the United States report driving their Sequoias well beyond 250,000 miles, and in some cases close to 300,000 miles, with nothing more than routine maintenance. which is a strong indicator of long-term engineering quality. From a maintenance perspective, the Sequoia is considered honest and predictable, meaning while it may not be the most fuel-efficient SUV, it rarely surprises owners with major unexpected failures, and its key components, such as the engine, transmission, and frame, are built for long service life. Toyota's extensive service network and widely available replacement parts across the U.S. also make it easier and more affordable to keep on the road compared to many other full-size SUVs in its class. In everyday use, the Toyota Sequoia excels as a family and utility vehicle, offering a spacious and comfortable interior, stable highway performance, and strong towing capability for boats, trailers, and campers, making it a popular choice for road trips, outdoor adventures, and work-related tasks. Many American families keep their Sequoia for 10 years or more, relying on it as their primary vehicle, which speaks volumes about owner trust and satisfaction. Overall, the Toyota Sequoia earns its spot at number 4 because it represents what many buyers truly want in a long-term SUV: strength, reliability, and the confidence that the vehicle will continue to perform even after years of hard use, making it a top choice for anyone looking for a full-size SUV that can handle real life on American roads without giving up. 3. Lexus RX 350. At number 3, the Lexus RX 350 stands out as one of the most reliable and well-respected luxury SUVs in the United States, and it's a vehicle that mechanics often recommend for long-term ownership. The RX 350 has built its reputation by combining Toyota-level engineering with premium comfort, creating an SUV that delivers both refinement and durability without sacrificing reliability. One of the key reasons mechanics praise the RX 350 is its naturally aspirated V6 engine in earlier generations, as well as its proven powertrain design that prioritizes longevity over aggressive performance. These engines are known for smooth operation, minimal mechanical drama, and the ability to last hundreds of thousands of miles when properly maintained, something that many luxury vehicles fail to achieve. Owners across the U.S. frequently report RX 350 models reaching 200,000 miles and beyond with no major engine or transmission issues, reinforcing its reputation as one of the safest bets in the luxury SUV segment. From a maintenance perspective, the RX 350 is considered surprisingly manageable for a luxury vehicle, thanks to Toyota's extensive parts availability and relatively simple mechanical layout compared to European competitors, which often translates into lower long-term repair costs and fewer unexpected breakdowns. In everyday driving, the Lexus RX 350 excels with a quiet cabin, smooth ride quality, and comfortable interior that makes it ideal for daily commuting, long highway trips, and family use. Its reliability, combined with strong resale value and high owner satisfaction, has made it one of the most popular luxury SUVs in America for many years. Overall, the Lexus RX 350 earns its position at number 3 because it delivers long-term dependability without compromising comfort or prestige, making it a favorite among mechanics and owners alike who want a luxury SUV that can truly go the distance. 2. Subaru Forester. At number 2, the Subaru Forester earns its reputation as one of the most trusted and practical SUVs on American roads, and it's a vehicle that mechanics frequently praise for its reliability, simplicity, and all-weather capability. The Forester has long been known for its standard all-wheel drive system, which comes on every model and is designed to handle rain, snow, and rough road conditions with confidence, making it especially popular in states with harsh winters and outdoor-focused lifestyles. One of the key reasons mechanics respect the Forester is its straightforward engineering, particularly in non-turbo models, which prioritize durability and ease of maintenance over high performance. When properly maintained, many Subaru Foresters are known to reach well over 200,000 miles, and in some cases even closer to 250,000 miles, with owners reporting strong engine and drivetrain longevity. From a maintenance perspective, the Forester is considered affordable and predictable, with readily available parts and a design that allows mechanics to diagnose and fix common issues without excessive labor or complexity. While earlier Subaru models had known head gasket concerns, later generations have significantly improved reliability, and mechanics now view modern Foresters as solid long-term vehicles when routine service schedules are followed. In everyday use, the Subaru Forester shines as a practical daily driver, offering excellent visibility, a comfortable interior, good fuel efficiency for its class, and enough cargo space for families, road trips, and outdoor gear. Its combination of reliability, safety ratings, and owner loyalty has made it one of the most loved compact SUVs in the United States. Overall, the Subaru Forester deserves its position at number 2 because it delivers dependable performance, real-world durability, and confidence in all driving conditions, making it a favorite among mechanics and long-term owners who want an SUV that simply works year after year. 1. Chevrolet Tahoe. At number 1, the Chevrolet Tahoe takes the top spot as one of the most iconic and widely used full-size SUVs in the United States. And it's a vehicle that mechanics often praise for its strength, versatility, and long-term durability when properly maintained. The Tahoe has been a staple on American roads for decades, used by families, law enforcement, businesses, and government fleets, which already says a lot about its ability to handle heavy daily use. One of the main reasons mechanics respect the Chevrolet Tahoe is its powerful V8 engine lineup, known for strong performance, simple design, and the ability to withstand high mileage, especially in naturally aspirated configurations. Many Tahoes in the U.S. are known to surpass 200,000 miles, and in fleet or well-maintained private ownership cases, some even reach 300,000 miles, proving that this SUV is built to last. From a maintenance standpoint, the Tahoe benefits from a massive parts supply network across the country, making repairs relatively straightforward and more affordable compared to many other full-size SUVs. Mechanics are very familiar with its platform, which means issues are easier to diagnose and fix, reducing downtime and long-term ownership stress. In everyday use, the Chevrolet Tahoe excels as a do-it-all SUV, offering a spacious and comfortable interior, strong towing capacity for boats and trailers, and confident highway performance for long-distance travel. It's a vehicle designed to handle real American lifestyles, from family road trips to demanding work duties, without feeling overwhelmed. Overall, the Chevrolet Tahoe earns its number 1 position because it represents a balance of power, reliability, and real-world usability, making it a trusted choice among mechanics and owners who need a full-size SUV that can work hard, last long, and remain dependable year after year on American roads.